Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to M&A Forex Traders. I hope you're alright. Matthew's here. I hope you're doing great. Alright, today I have a quick tutorial for you guys. I know I've done this several times, but I just want to give you something very quick and precise and to the point. Alright, so I'm sure you can see what kind of setup this is. Alright, you like to give it a guess? Okay, let me give you some few seconds to guess what kind of setup this is. All right. Okay, please comment in the comment section. All right, let's go. So this is a simple Quasimodo plus diamond fake out. All right. First of all, it's a late retest Quasimodo plus diamond fake out. I hope that's very clear. Let me just run you through. All right. So you guys remember what we discussed. What you need, you have to have this complete QM, right? Remember, you have to have this complete QM, which is very important. So what makes a complete QM? Okay, let me just write something here. So you have to have what? Your higher high. You make sure you have your higher high, right? Make sure you have your higher high. What else? Okay, so let me just change the color right now. So you have to have, first of all, your QML plus the low plus the higher high, and then you have your MPL and your break of structure, then the lower low. These are very, very important. So this is what you need to have for you to have what? A complete QM setup. Okay. So once you have these are the basics, all right? You just need to have this. You can't take a trade without well-defined levels of these things here. One thing to note though, make sure that your QM is well defined. And then if you have a dual resistance, like in this case right here, it increases the chances of that particular setup working out. Okay. Then make sure that you have your MPL. So the maximum pain level is not always in line where the QML is. So it can be above the QM, it can be at the QM, or it can be below the QM. So your job is to look for the MPL because that's where the price is most likely going to what? To reverse from. Alright. However, remember that not all setups will have a an MPL. Therefore, make sure that you actually do your backtesting so that you find setups that actually work better. Apart from that, you have what? How the market is coming to you. So remember, the market can come to you in form of a diamond fake out. It can come to you in terms of the CPLQ. It can be a fake out. It can be an SR flick. All right. So make sure that you identify how the market is coming to you because this is how retail traders are tracked. This is how support and resistance traders, together with the breakout traders, are tracked. Okay, so the market gives us a support here, and later on gives us a resistance. This is a signal for a support and resistance trader to actually sell because it's presumed that this level becomes strong. But on the flip side, it's actually not true because it actually becomes more prone to be used as a stop hand. Since most of the times, this level here, people will put their stop losses above the resistance here, and then price usually take out the liquidity above. The liquidity just simply means this stop loss which above here, this cluster of stop loss which will be above the resistance, 50 to 30 pips above resistance, and then the market drop after collecting the liquidity above that level. So make sure that you don't fall prey to such. Okay, so learn the smart money trading way. Okay, so today I was just looking at diamond fake out, and then after that what happens is wait for price to come to your zone. It can be at the MPL, it can be at the higher high, it can be below. The thing is, you have to make sure that your entry, you wait for confirmation, okay? Don't just enter blindly. Wait for price to tell you when to enter. Wait for a reversal signal. Wait for a reversal pattern at this level here. Go to your lower time frame, your 30 minutes time frame, go to your 15 minutes time frame, go to your 5 minutes time frame, and look for the reversal, those reversal patterns, so that you can have a sniper entry and stop loss is going to be above your MPL. If you're entering from MPL, if you're going to enter from the higher high around this level here, make sure your stop loss is above higher high. That's very, very important. Okay, and then your stop loss, take profit is going to be on the next demand, fresh demand zone. Make sure that this MPO is fresh, this, so that you're able to uh, have that perfect entry. Otherwise, if you're just going to enter without waiting for confirmation, market can just blow off the roof and you'll be taken out. All right, so always wait for your confirmation before jumping into the trade. Please don't jump the gun. Of course, this being a late retest, it will take a little bit longer. So you have to have a little bit of patience, guys. Make sure that you wait a little bit, exercise patience so that you're able to maximize your potential on this particular trade. All right. So you guys, make sure that you're subscribed. Make sure that you like the video. Comment in the comment section for me to continue. If you want me to continue making such short videos. Alright, thank you so much for watching and have a great day and have a great week next week. Alright, thank you.